Hi, I'm David Singletary from DJS Digital, and welcome to today's video. In this session, we'll be comparing lot batch tracking features of two platforms, Wherefour and Katana. But before we dive into that, let's quickly cover what lot tracking or batch tracking is and why it's important. Lot or batch tracking is a system that allows businesses to trace the journey of specific groups of products or raw materials from production to sale. This ensures transparency and accountability across the supply chain, whether it's for compliance, quality control, or simply improving inventory management. Lot tracking helps manufacturers and retailers manage their stock more efficiently and respond faster in case of any issues like recalls. Now let's see how Wherefour and Katana stack up in handling these vital processes. So first we're going to start with Wherefour, we see on the screen here. We're going to take a look at a product, and before we do that, I just want to show some settings for lot tracking for them. You can actually set up the system so that it actually auto-populates a lot number based upon different criteria. So you can have it include a date, an expiration date, quantity, a separator. So you can use these items to actually generate your lot number. So in this case, I have an incremental number, a separator, and the expiration date. So it would look like that. So we're going to take a look at a product. So within a product, I'm going to search for this product here, which is called product 123. So this product is a raw material. It's also included in a bill of materials or formula. So you'll be able to trace where this product came from and where it's been. So let's take a look at creating a purchase order for this item. I'm going to go to vendors, purchase order, and I'm going to create a brand new purchase order. I'm going to select my vendor. And here I'm going to you can put in a delivery date, terms, a delivery method, and your receiving location. Okay, so I'm going to find my product, and I'm going to order, say, 10 of those, and I'm going to save it, and then I'm going to receive it. Okay, so this is my purchase order. I'm just going to make sure that it is available to be received. So I'm going to come in here and change the status to open. And then I'm going to receive it. So I'm going to receive this item. I hit receive. I'm going to keep the quantity, everything's the same. The lot number is auto-generated, so there's nothing I need to do. But all I need to do is hit save. So now if I go look at this item, and I hit view here, and I look at an activity log, I'm able to see that this is the lot code that came in, and it was for a purchase. So it went from 0 to 10. And you can see that this product was also used in production. It was shipped, it was purchased. So you can always trace your items with this activity. You can put in a specific lot code. Let's say I'm looking for a lot 01 here, and I can hit search, and it'll tell me everything that happened to this particular batch, where it went in this production, and it was shipped, for this particular customer. So it gives you that traceability, and obviously you can run reports as well. If I wanted to do a recall or production trace, I can search for my lot numbers. And then it'll create a report where I can actually see all the different places where that item actually was used. So when the report comes up, you can see this product was purchased, this product was used in production on this work order, and it was part of this final product here as the finished good. So you can see how it goes from where it came in and where it was used. And if that product was sold, then obviously it would show that as well. So that's what Katana can do. Let's take, this is what Wherefour can do, sorry. So now let's take a look at Katana and see how it uses it. So if I come over to Katana, this is what Katana looks like. Now with Katana, you don't have the automated lot number like you have in Wherefour, so you have to provide the lot number. But let's say if we take a look at an item, and we have a similar product here, and we can see that this product is set up for batch and lot tracing. So just like with Wherefour, we can buy it. Say if I create a purchase order, like my vendor, add my product. Also going to order 10 of these. You'll see with Katana, it's a really simple screen, very user-friendly, and it's very simple. So here I created the purchase order. All I have to do, come over here, is say receive all, and it'll receive it. And then it's going to ask me for my batch number. So here, I would have to, even though it shows me other batches that are in there, well, I'm creating a brand new batch, so I would have to come over here and put in my batch number. And it's for all 10 pieces. And I hit receive. So now if I come over to my stock and I look at batches, I can see and I can search for a particular product. So if I just want to search for this one product, I can see this is the product. These are different batches. It shows what's in stock, expiration date, and the date it was created. If I click into it, what's in stock, I can see if anything happened to that item. So in this case, a purchase order came in for 5. And then there were 2 sales orders that happened, which reduced the quantity. So that's why we have a total of 3. So it allows you to search by batch number. So if I want to go to another batch, I can see that 10 pieces came in on this purchase order. And I can search this batch, the one we just did. I can see that 10 pieces came into this purchase order. So it does allow you to keep track of the batches. There are no specific reports other than here, but there are some add-ons for reporting in Katana. But it's a very simple solution. It does allow you to track your product and your batches. If there are items sold, you can search for that item and then you'll be able to see the detail here. But you can just search for the batch number and you can find all the different places where that product was used and sold. So I showed you how Wherefour handles batch and lot tracking and Katana. Let me know what you think, which one you think is a little bit easier or more useful. They both have their pros and cons, but I'll be curious to see what you think. If you have any questions about implementing any of these solutions, feel free to reach out to us at DJS Digital. Thank you.